Hey, Mark Nelson here. Today what I want to do is share with you how do you delete a funnel from your account. I'm inside Clickfunnels, and there's actually three different programs. There's one that's a $19.97 a month, and that gives you 3 funnels. But there's another one that will give you 20 funnels, and that's for $97 a month. And then there's a $2.97. I don't know how many funnels there is because I'm not on that program yet, but I certainly will be. So let me share with you um, how you can delete a funnel. So I'm on my dashboard, and here it is. Welcome back, Mark Nelson. Today is the day. I totally always believe that when I read that. So I'm just going to go to my funnels, and here we come. So I have the ability to have 20 funnels, and right now I have 16. And there's some in here that I really don't need, or if I have a couple of them that are really the same. So and there's going to be the time that you also don't need all of those. But here are the 16 of mine. And what I can do if I don't want them is I'm just going to pick one. I'm going to pick this one. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm going to pick this one right here. And I'm just going to select it. And this was actually a share funnel. Somebody shared it with me. So when I go to this, here's the funnel. I'm going to go up to settings in this upper right hand corner. And then when I go to it, I'm going to scroll all the way down. It gives you a lot of different information here, and I'm not going to go in on all of that, but it's a lot of different information down here. And I'm going to go way down the bottom. And it says archive funnel. See, ClickFunnels is funny. You don't delete them, you just archive them. So I'm going to click archive funnel. And that's it. It's going to take a while to get off. It's still there now, but I can actually, what's so cool about this, if you archive a funnel and you go, man, I didn't really want that, I can go into my archive funnels. And you're always going to do this as you build more and more funnels. And what you can do is you can restore them. And you can see I have a lot of funnels in here that I've had. Now again, I can't delete them. They're just in an archive position. So I'm just going to go back to my funnels, and I hope that helps. Again, you can't delete, but you can archive. And I hope that's easy for you to do, because there will be times that you are going to build out funnels and then all of a sudden they aren't what you need, or you don't necessarily want them any longer. So I hope that helps. We will talk again soon. ClickFunnels is the way to go. You take care. Bye.